Hello again, my name is Rodney Reynolds and welcome to another video review. Today I'm looking at the Corsair XPERT PC-3200 memory with programmable LED display. Included in this package is an installation CD, an installation guide, 2 display modules, and the memory. The speed on this memory is 400 MHz DDR or PC-3200 and has a CAS of 2. The complete memory timing on this memory is 2, 2, 2, and 5. Now what does DDR and CAS mean? DDR stands for double data rate, and that means it doubles the bandwidth of the memory by transferring data twice as fast on both the rising and the falling of the clock cycle. CAS stands for Column Access Select or Column Access Strobe. That essentially means the number of cycles for the memory to get information and then process that information. Also keep in mind that a lower CAS is much better than a higher CAS. For example, a CAS of 2 will result in better memory performance than 2.5 or 3. So try and keep the CAS as low as possible when overclocking. This memory is also dual channel, which means better overall memory bandwidth resulting in superior performance. But in order to benefit from this technology, you will need to have a dual channel motherboard. Non-dual channel motherboards do not have 2 fully independent 64-bit memory controllers, but dual channel boards do, which means they have a 128-bit memory interface. Now this memory will work in a non-dual channel motherboard, but the overall performance will be much less at the same megahertz. This memory is different than anything else currently on the market because it has this 10-digit alphanumeric display on the top of each memory module. This display can show a message, frequency, voltage, and temperature information. It also comes with software, which I will be going into in further detail later on in the video review, where you can move things around, add your own message, etc. So a very unique product. The display module gets connected to the memory very easily. Just line it up correctly and push it down. Each motherboard requires memory to be installed in specific slots. So just familiarize yourself with your particular motherboard. Now the display module on top can be moved around so it will best fit your particular motherboard. Also note that if you want to have additional memory, these particular modules are not going to take up the other slots because they're quite high and you can easily fit other memory underneath the display module. The memory dashboard software gives you all kinds of control over the memory. You can view all the information about the different modules or view all the information together. In the general area, the application priority can be changed from high, normal, to idle. The update interval can be changed, as well as the frequency display format from megahertz, DDR to PC. And the temperature display format can be changed from Celsius to Fahrenheit. And you have the option to load this software when Windows starts. Now this is the area in each module where you can change a number of options. What you're seeing here in the screen is what you're going to be seeing on the LED on the actual memory. You can do a message, have the frequency, voltage, temperature on there. You can choose what you want on there. You can move things up, down, you can modify, add new messages as well as removing messages. Now at the bottom you can change the frequency as well as the temperature and voltage decimal precision. You can also reverse the LED display. Adding a custom message is quite easy to do. First of all, click on the Add button, then select Custom Message, enter the custom message. The message can be up to 23 characters in length, and then you can assign other attributes to it. Say OK, you'll see it in the software. You can do the same thing for other modules. You see DIM 3 here at the top. I'm going to assign 3D Game Man to DIM 1 and Kick-Ass to DIM 3. Now once you've done that, you'll be able to see it on the actual memory LED display. This memory performs very well, is overclockable, and extremely unique. Having an LED on top of a memory module is very cool. But not only is it cool, it also has some functionality, showing the temperature, the voltage, and the frequency. And of course, let's not forget some really neat message. And the displays also have activity LEDs. Considering the performance, the overclockability, and the uniqueness to this product, without a doubt, this is a 100% kick-ass product. Again, my name is Rodney Reynolds. This has been another video review. Be sure to check back very soon. I will have a brand new one for you then. Also pop into my website at www.3dgameman.com. And while you're there, you can go into the forums and register. And remember, registration is completely free. Also keep in mind, you can find out a lot more on this product in the forums. And as a final note, if you love watching my video reviews, please help support 3dgameman.com. Until next time, take care.